Hi there, Claudia from the We Garden Homestead here. It is a beautiful South Florida day. We had some rain this morning and I waited for the sun to come out. I've got some stuff to do in the garden. I've got a bunch of harvesting to do. I've been putting it off all week, been working a little more than I like and just so tired. I had it slated for today. And there's one or two things that might have gone a little too far. We're going to go ahead and harvest what we can and use what we can, and I don't know, hopefully none of it needs to go to the chickens, but we'll see. So come along and I'll show you what I'm working on today. Okay, so first up is the cabbages, and you know I've been so pleased with this cabbage patch. I did pick one here about 2 weeks ago, about a week or two ago. I've got 1, 2, 3 more I'm going to harvest. The one at the very end, not yet. That needs a couple more days. And like I said, I was giving this a push and hoping these were going to wait, but let me pan down and show you what happened. This was not like this yesterday. This has split open. So this is going to be our dinner tonight. Stick till the end and I'll try to post what I'm going to make with it. But that is first on my list. I'm going to go ahead and harvest these. The outside leaves will definitely go to the chickens. I'm hoping I can save that for dinner. Okay. I know Mordecai. He's in the garden and he is totally excited about it. He is telling everybody. All right, so let's get a better look at this. Like I said, these big outer leaves, although we could eat them, those are going to go to the chickens. But this is just, oh my goodness. That means I left it too long. It's getting ready to shoot up a flower stalk. So this one for dinner tonight. The other 3 are going to be going in the fridge for a few days. So I figure out what to do with them. All right, well, I definitely waited too long because this one is split also. That was the second one. Not as bad, but definitely split. We've got some pest damage here too, so I'm going to have to see what I can do with these. This one just has some pest damage. I don't know. That one's pretty far gone too, and it is split. Oh my gosh. Well, shoot. One more. All right, this one's a little smaller. It's looking a little better. Again, the big outer leaves will go to the chickens. They love them. This one probably will keep in the fridge. The rest of them I'm going to have to actually do something with today or tomorrow. So that's where we're at with the cabbage. Pretty disappointed with myself, but we're going to move on. All right, next up is the broccoli. And these heads have gone a little far. My husband said they looked funny today. Basalti was like, they look a little funny. What are those? They went a little long, but they'll still be great to eat. I've got 1, 2, 3, I don't know, 6 or 8, 10 maybe to harvest. And as soon as I harvest those, they'll start making smaller heads down low. I did have this one that was a different kind. It must have been a different kind of seed mixed in, and I knew it when it started growing because it looks so much different. And this one it put up a little tiny shoot and it bolted right away. So I'm not sure what kind of broccoli this one was. I'm going to trim this off. It's putting up small shoots down lower. I'm going to trim the top shoot off. I'll give that to the chickens also. And we'll see if we can get some small shoots from that later in the week. Got to show you who I just noticed underneath this broccoli here, keeping me company out here today. He likes it up underneath there. It's nice and cool. And Georgie, kitty, there he is. There he is. I don't mind him being out here up underneath. If I happen to have any rodents or anything, he's going to get them. All right, back to the broccoli. Let's see. I'm going to start down here. That one's not ready. That one's not ready. That one's not ready. These down here, they were a different kind and they blossomed later. So I'm going to leave those for a little bit. There's one. That one's not ready. Alrighty, so far, it's not too bad. Oh, that's a nice one. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's a nice one. Another nice one. There's one over here too, but that one's still tiny. So I grew two kinds this year just to see which one did better. And this one blossomed sooner. So let's see what we have. This one that was the Desicio broccoli. Can we see that? It's Desicio, if I'm saying it right. Desicio, I don't know. And then the other one, I gotta get way up underneath, was the Waltham 29. So that one blossomed later, which is fine. I didn't really want them to blossom all at the same time because then I have trouble using them up. So this is what I got from the broccoli today. That's enough for probably for us for 2 meals. It's just Salty and I, so we don't need that much. So that's going to be probably 2 meals worth of broccoli in addition to all that cabbage. And then we're going to move again. We're moving. I have all these snap peas. Oh, and a couple radishes, it looks like. Let me get this camera adjusted. Okay, so first off, I had a couple radishes I threw in this bed not too long ago. Oh, another split guy. Well, those will be nice. We'll throw those in our dinner tonight too. And then I have all these snap peas. So I've grown shelling peas before. And to be honest with you, I don't feel like it's worth the effort for something that I can buy for so inexpensive. Where am I here? There we go. So this year I grew snap peas because we can eat the whole pod. So hopefully I'll get a decent amount off of them. I'm just picking what's ready today. I don't know if you can see. Oh, chickens must have found some bugs because they are all excited now. I don't know if you can hear them. I was thinking I was going to need the scissors. I don't really. Oh, we'll probably have a little broccoli and snap pea stir fry later in the week. All right, I'm going to finish picking these and then I'll show you what I got. Okay, the last thing I have to show you is these Tam jalapenos. This bush is probably easily 2.5 feet tall. I have another one next door that's not doing as well, but this one has some huge jalapenos on it. And we had one of these last week. It was delicious, but it wasn't hot, which is how we like them. So I'm going to pick 1, 2, looks like probably 3 of those, the nice big ones, and mix them with some tomatoes for some pico de gallo for tomorrow. And then I keep watching these are little sweeties. These are going to turn yellow and they're not ready yet, so I'm not going to pick those, but I'm going to pick these jalapenos real quick. Look at those. Look at the size of those. Those are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. All right. Well, I think that's going to be it for me today. I'm going to spread these out on the picnic table and let you see what I've got. Okay, here's what I got. Not counting the cabbage, the 4 cabbages that are out there. I'm not sure what I'm going to get out of those. So I've got the broccoli, the 4 nice heads of broccoli, easily 2 meals for Salty and I. I've got about 10, I think it was 10 or 11 of the sugar snap peas. I've got 3 of these nice jalapenos. I've got 3 radishes. Not sure what I'm going to do with those. Those might go in our salad also. And not bad. I think today is February 4th. So I'm not complaining. We're just coming out of some cold weather. We've got more cold weather coming again. So we'll see how it goes. But there's more sugar snap peas coming. There's more jalapenos coming. There's more broccoli coming. So I'm not complaining. Thanks for joining me. And watch out for the video of what I do with those cabbages.